Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let's go to the website. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the hover effect that is done by using the before and after effect in the CSS, and you can see that continuously looping information about the person like graphic designer, video editor. This is done by using typed JavaScript library. Then we have a hover effect on the button, and you can see a box shadow effect around the portfolio image and having a very curved edge towards the right hand top side. You can see giving a very professional look to your website. Then we can see the social media icons at the bottom. Hover effect changes the color of the icons. Then we can go to the next section, that is our skill section. You can see skill section has two containers. One is for technical skills and one is for professional skills. And here you can see the box shadow effect that I have been done, and I've also added the icons here. You can see JavaScript, Python, CSS, and HTML. And we have created a bar effect that will display the percentage of proficiency that we have in that particular skill. You can see that is also for there for the professional skills also. Then we can go to the education section. You can see for the education section, we have added the image as well as the details like what degree you have done and the small information that you can provide about your education. Then we can go to the careers page. In the careers page, you can see a small description that is done here, and we have created this professional summary icon by using the CSS styling, and at the same time for the same career goals also. And here you can see we have created a box shadow effect card which gives a 3D look to the website that to the professional website. And you can see we have added some main information here like long-term and short-term goals. Then we can go to the testimonial section, and in the testimonial section you can see we have integrated an image inside a text and giving a very professional look testimonial section where the other people have given information about you, how you work about, and you can see the very professionally done box shadow effect here that is added to them. And you can go to the contact me section, and you can see for the contact me section I have also added the envelope icon here, and you can see this is the contact me form, name, email and message, and you can see the whole effect on the button. And you can also see the icons that I've added here like email, phone and address icons. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and this website is also available in mobile view as well as in tab view, which gives the professional website a responsive professional website. And let me show you the this is the mobile version. See, this is the desktop version, and this is the mobile version of the portfolio website, and you can see perfectly aligned exactly at the center. And you can see we have a menu bar on the top giving a blur effect to the main source, and we can see a glass morphism type skill section that has been created here. We can see home, skills, education and testimonial section, and when you click on it, it will post back up again. This gives a very professional look to your website, and the entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description, and if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing tutorials and portfolios. A lot of front-end work, front-end and back-end works you can get from our YouTube channel. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. And if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel. There are more awesome websites built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, React.js as well. And we have added so many animation. We have used a lot of JavaScript libraries like AOS, animation and typing JavaScript. So definitely try to visit the channel. And now let's go through the website. You can see the hover effect on the navbar, the color change effect, and you can see the hover effect on the social media icons, and you can see the box shadow effect around the navbar, and you can see the hover effect as well as you can see the color change, background color change and hover effect on the button. Then you can see the bar design using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so that we can be able to mention the proficiency at that particular work. You can see here. Then we have added some icons to represent uh, the the things that we do, that is web developer, mobile developer, networking, and debugging. And you can see the projects here. You can see the hover effect on the button. Then you can see the projects. You can see the hover effect on the demo button. You can see how neatly we have given the background color to the entire project work. Then you can see here two more projects, demo buttons. Then we have the contact me form, name, email, and message. And you can see the hover effect on the button and the footer with social media icons. This entire website is also available in mobile and tab version. That is, it is entirely responsive website. Let me show you that. This is the desktop view of the website as you've seen before. Now let's try to go to see the tab version and mobile version of the website. You can see this is the mobile version of the website. How neatly they are aligned. The projects as well as the contact me form. You can see how neatly they have all been aligned. You can see this is the navigational bar, and you can see below support at the date, email, our contact details, and the social media icons. And you can see the responsiveness of this website, that is movement from one page to the another by clicking on the particular nav bar. You can see the project. So this website is entirely responsive, and this entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing front-end works using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as React.js. If you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the description. Please let me know in the comment section, and the source code is available in the description. And definitely try to build this project. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section for the next project that I should work on, or any suggestions that you want to tell me. So let's go from the first section. In the home section, you can see I have added the social media icons as well as GitHub and Twitter. Then we have the contact button. You can see the hover effect on the contact button. You can also see the hover effect on the nav bar. You can see contact me, and the button for light mode and dark mode. I'm changing for light and dark mode. Then you can see the smooth animation effect, scrolling effect. Then we have the download CV button. Next, in the skills section, you can see I have added button effect. You can see, and when you open one, the other one will process automatically. Then we have the service section. In the services section, you can see web designer, UI designer, branding designer, and you can see this also with close on box model effect as we click on the service that we want to know more about. You can see. Next, we have the portfolio section. You can see the demo button. You can see the swiper function using the swiper.js library. Then we have the testimonial section. You can see the testimonials by some of my clients. Next, we have the contact section. You can see the smooth animation, and I have used the type function on the email and the form elements. You can see the hover effect on the button. Then you see single social media icons, quick links, and top bar button. If you go back to the first page, then we can go to the. You can also have this website in the dark mode. You can see social media icon. You can see the hover effect, the entire website in the dark mode. See the smooth animation and transition effect. Swiper.css file, Swiper.js is used in this website design. This website is totally responsive. That is also available in the mobile version. Let me show you the desktop version. Now let's go through the mobile version. You can see the mobile version. The smooth transition effect and the navbar is available in the below. You can see you can move from one section to another section. It gives a very professional app view to your website, and it is also available in dark mode. So the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Def Definitely try to build this project. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This website is also available in light and dark mode. You will get the source code in the description. Try to build this project. Definitely you will be able to learn something from it. I hope you learned something from it. As I told you, it is also available in light and dark mode. You can see here we have added box effect also, and I've used uh, flex and grid CSS in this. Now let's go through the website. Right now we are in the header section. You can see the hover effect on the navbar elements. Then you can see the moon icon for change of theme. That is, right now we are in the light mode. Then we can, by clicking on it, we can go back to the dark mode, and you can see the moon icon has been switched with sun icon. So whenever you click on this icon again, you will be moved back to the light mode, and you can see the image hover effect and the box effect around the portfolio image. You can see the button hover effects and box shadow effect and 360-degree rotation on the social media icons. Then you can see the uh, about me section. You can see the animation also. This is a smooth animation by Swiper. Scroll reveal JavaScript library. You can see education, hover effect, and box shadow effect on the entire section. Then projects, travel website, movies website, and portfolio website. You can see them by going through the demo section. You can see the buttons and the icons. Then the contact me form. Then button hover effect. This entire website is available in the dark mode also. So you can go through like this. This is the dark mode. About section, education section, projects, then contact. Try to have as many features as possible in your responsive portfolio websites, because you'll get only few minutes of time by the recruiter to get for you to impress them. And this website is available in mobile version also. Let me show you that. See, this is the mobile version. Let me show you the animation, the education internship, that is experience, then projects, contact. You can change the theme back to light mode by clicking on the sun icon on the navbar. And we have a responsive navbar here. You can see then it automatically closes back. The functionality is added by using JavaScript. You can see the smooth transition, and this entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe, and definitely try to visit the channel. It takes a lot of efforts to build them, and I'm gonna share you the entire full tutorial where I will explain you line by line code, the entire code, so that you can understand each and every section, HTML, CSS and JavaScript entire functionality. Please do subscribe to my channel to get that full tutorial. The source code is available in the description. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's go through the each and every page. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the navbar and you can see the hover effect, underline hover effect, as well as we have included the icons into our navbar, like the briefcase, fire as well as home icon. And you can see the Abhiram is highlighted, and we have created a mask using SVG. Then we have the contact. You can see the hover effect, box shadow effect over it, and you can see that we have integrated the social media icons, as well as whenever you hover onto it, the color changes. Then you can see that the smooth transition revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript, and you can see the box shadow effect around each and every skill that we have added. And you can see we have also integrated the icons here. Then we can go to the portfolio section, and in the portfolio section you can see when we hover onto it, we will get an page layout, a blur layout, where you can see we have also linked our Instagram, Facebook and GitHub links, so that you can be able to view this website, the portfolio, the projects that we have previously worked upon. Then we can go to the about section. You can see small about section we have here, and then we have the contact me form. You can see that the smooth revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript library, and the animation is very pure. It is a very responsive portfolio website. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in desktop version. Let me show you the website to you. This is the desktop version. Now let's go to the mobile version of this website. So this is the mobile version of this website. As you can see, this they are perfectly aligned with each and every section is aligned to the exact size of the page. And you can see that we have also added our menu bar here. You can see the menu bar, clearly menu bar, very responsive and moving with a precision to the particular section that we want. And this entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it is a very beginner friendly website. It is a very much professional website that you can use for your recruiting purposes, also for your resume projects, for your school projects or college projects. The entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely let me know any suggestions in the comment section, and any suggestions if you want to give me also, please let me know in the comment section. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more tutorials and for awesome front-end web development, definitely try to visit the channel. Thank you.